Hello. Basically, I just had a win in the diapering world, and my daughter just soaked through this diaper. Obviously don't see her, but I wanted to remember it. It was 1 infant hemp, 1 trifold hemp, and a hemp doubler inside on top of that. That's what it took for my daughter to not soak through into any of her clothes on a flip diaper. It took the whole thing, and I just was so excited that it worked that I had to film it so that I don't forget it and so that I can share with other people. I'm sorry if urine is offensive to you in some way, but yeah, you don't have to watch the video if you don't like it. So, for the people who are interested, just saying this works. My daughter even wets through her regular disposables during nap time, and this was a nap time win, and I'm just very excited, like seriously. So that's why I filmed it. Otherwise, why would I go around filming diapers that are soaking with urine? That would be gross, right? But here I am in the mom world, and this is what we do. So, all right, any questions or comments about exactly what I put in there? Should be answered by what I put down at the bottom. And if not, just leave it in the comments and I'll answer back. Thanks. Bye-bye.